Hey guys, I'm back. I'm so excited, y'all. Guess what I got today? My impressions mirror. So in. And I got something else from the store today, the Melrose store. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys because I'm just like so excited. It's super, super big and I just got it up in my apartment. I don't really have a stand for my camera, so I'm just gonna do this from my phone. Just make it really simple. So let's just get started with the invoice. So like I said, I got it from the Melrose store here in LA. So I got the Hollywood Glow Pro vanity mirror. So basically that's the largest mirror that they have in the horizontal shape, whatever, I guess. They have the ones that go vertical and then they have the ones that go left to right. So this is the largest one that they have, and I got the clear iridescent bulbs. I spent a lot of time on their Instagram just like looking at stuff to see which one I wanted, which bulbs I wanted, and I got it in white, you guys. So if you can see, it's like really big compared to me. So I got some scissors here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open her up. Okay guys, so this is the final product. Pretty nice. It's huge too. So yeah, this is the other thing I was telling you guys. I got my smaller vanity that I use when I do eye makeup, and also when I film, sometimes I use that. This broke on it, this little part that connects it to the base. So I got a new one. And they only charged me $15 to replace it, which was really nice, but yeah. So I have to get the tabletop. I'm thinking about getting the matching tabletop from Impressions But yeah, this is it. The stand is pretty simple to put together. It just had like 5 screws in it. It came with an extra light bulb. And then on this side, you turn it on and turn it down, turn it up. And then on this side, you have 2 outlets and 2 USB outlets. So it's pretty cute. I'm excited, you guys. It's like bigger than my TV. I can't wait to show you guys like the finished product when I set it all up, because I'm gonna put it over here and I have like some really good decor ideas. You'll see. It's about to be lit. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna link down below where you can get the Vanity and a 10% off discount code. So yeah, go check it out. See you guys later. Bye.